Good morning, students. Let's start with the exercise 7.1 of the chapter Triangles. But before that, let us discuss why there is no AAA congruence rule. AAA congruence rule stands for angle, angle, angle congruence rule. So, why there is no AAA congruence rule? We see here that there are two triangles in which set of three angles are equal, means this first angle is equal to this angle is equal to this one. So we see that there are three congruent angles in these two triangle, but we also see that their size is not equal. So, three congruent angles means that the triangles will be the same shape but not necessarily the same size. So, these two triangles are not congruent. That is why there is no AAA congruence rule. So, let's start with exercise 7.1. In this, we are taking question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. We need to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So let's see which two triangles we are required. The first triangle is triangle ABD. Second triangle is triangle BAC. So we got these two triangles. Let's draw it separately. First triangle is ABD and second triangle we see is like this. ABC. So in this we are given that BC and AD are equal. It is given BC and AB are equal. Also, we have been given angle B is equal to angle A. So this angle is equal to angle A. That this angle is angle CBA or angle DAB. And we also see that these sides are common. See, in this triangle we are getting AB and in this triangle we are getting AB. So this side and this side will be equal. So we got what all things? We got two sides and one angle, and we know there is a criteria, congruence rule for congruent triangles when there are two sides and an included angle. So side, angle, side. So by SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Why? Because BC is equal to AD, one side, angle B is equal to angle A, second thing, and side AB is common. So side, angle, side congruence rule is applied here to prove these two triangles congruent. Now, since these two triangles are congruent, another thing what we have to prove is we have to show that AC is equal to BD. So by CPCT, these two will be equal. See, in triangle ABC, AD is equal to BC given angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Angle we got again AB is equal to BA. Both are same thing. AB is equal to BA. These are common side. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by SAS congruence rule. Now since these two triangles are equal, then their all corresponding parts will be equal. As we know, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So BD will be equal to AC. Also we have to show that angle ABD, that means angle ABD means this angle is equal to angle BAC is equal to this. So we know that we had two triangles like this. This was B, A and D. So we had two triangles, that is triangle ABD, this one, and this angle is equal to angle of the triangle. So let's draw again. We had like this angles A, B, C. See, now you can separate the angles, and we have to show that this angle is equal to this one, means part of A is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle ABD. So we have already proved that these two triangles are congruent, then these angles are also corresponding parts, and hence by CPCT these two are equal. These are the triangle. So what we have to show, this triangle in triangle is equal to this angle. So these two triangles, this angle and this angle are equal. So how we can prove it? As they are corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. It is very important to visualize the triangles properly, otherwise we cannot solve the questions. Let's take question number 3. In question number 3, we are given AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. Whenever a line bisects another line, it means that the bisecting lines divide the other line into two equal halves. Means if DC is bisecting AB at O, then it is that we need to prove OA is equal to OB. What we have to prove? OA is equal to OB. It is given that AD and BC are equal and they are perpendicular to the line AB. That means these two angles are 90 degree and they are equal. So we have two triangles we can see here, that is triangle BOC and triangle AOC. In triangle AOC and BOC, these angles are equal. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So we got two angles equal in these two triangles. This angle and this angle are equal in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. So if I apply angle sum property in this triangle, let's take angle 1 and angle 2, and this is as angle 3 and angle 4. So if I apply angle sum property in this triangle, what will I get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. And angle 2 is equal to angle 4 as both are 90 degree. They are perpendicular. Line BC and AD are perpendicular. Therefore angle 4 and angle 2 are 90 degree. So that means angle 2 is equal to angle 4. And right angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle 3 plus angle 4. So what we got, angle C is as equal to 180 degree minus angle 3 plus angle 4. Similarly, apply angle sum property in this and try to find angle D. It will eventually come out to be 180 degree minus sum of angle 3 plus angle 4. We see here that angle C and angle D are equal. That means if in two triangles there are two sets of equal angles, then third angle will be equal. So that means that angle C is equal to angle D, or we can say angle ADO is equal to angle BCO. These two angles are equal. Now what all things we got? We got this angle is equal to this angle 90 degree each. This angle is equal to this angle. Angle ADO is equal to angle BCO. We proved just now. And this side AD is equal to side BC. It is already given. So what all things we got? We got two angles and one included side. That is angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. So this is a criteria for congruency. So by ASA congruence rule, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD. What next we have to prove? We have to show that OA is equal to OB. So since these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT or congruent parts, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, OA will be equal to OB. So here we see that O is the midpoint as AB is divided into two equal parts. So O is the midpoint. If O is the midpoint, we see that DC is intersecting AB at point O, and O is the midpoint. That means DC is bisecting AB. So this is how we can show this. So children, for today there are only two questions, that is question number 2 and question number 3. Rest part we will discuss later. Thank you.